So here we go. This is another living example. The guy is reporting me for my last video because I pointed out that he has failed to do his homework. He asked me a question. He told me, he says, none, blah, 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 no, ever. Bible canon, Lee, not a Bible. However, the Bible does state that the moon will be confounded, which means it's going to rise, wax, and set wane. And it is. Okay, so it's confused. And it's, in other words, semantics. You could say the fucking moon's rolling if you wanted to specifically talk about one object. However, in the Bible canon, the original books before the Roman emperor twisted the original books into your book that you keep bringing up, the second opinion of a fucking Roman king, Rome, Vatican king, the House of Vipers produces your God-damned lie that you call the Bible, the Word of God, because you're too fucking stupid to understand canon original books. Before Emperor Constantine, the Roman motherfucking emperor, decided that he wanted to change the text into something that would control this idiot. So, reading it, it clearly states in Sitchin. I'm going to state this again. Sitchin. Zechariah motherfucking Sitchin states very clearly when he reads the same goddamn cuneiform tablets that Irving Finkel will read as the curator of the motherfucking British Museum. Lee, have you understood any of those words? Because that's exactly where you're looking for your information. Now, if you can't find that, because it says any teacher that assigns homework must check the homework. You've not done it. You keep coming back to me wanting me to do it for you. See, that's the problem, you little bitch. Now, did they find the correct material? No, you did not. Did they read it? No, you have not. You keep claiming it doesn't exist because you refuse to go look for it and expect me to spoon feed it to you. Were they ever given a test? No, because you never did the first thing. So you failed all of that. Now, a cult leader will give homework and never check it. But, you have to do the homework first, you dumb fuck. All right? The cult leader will be the lousy teacher. I'm finding, I've given several videos and lives, and that is like an online school. You have to go and through the courses before you can fucking even approach anything or anybody like the AI that is attached to said college course online. You have to go through the course to get to the point where you are even able or capable of contacting any AI and or situational coach about the subject. You have to actually go through and physically touch the little buttons and say you've done this. Lee, you're not even doing that. You're not touching the buttons, say, oh, I went to Sitchin and listened because that was your homework. Or I went to fucking Irving Finkel and listened because that was your homework. You're not doing that. Okay? See, that's the whole point here, you little fucking bitch. Now, every time it saves saying anything, cult leaders just want the fame and power. What fame and power? You're the one that monetizes. You're the one that keeps doing all this narcissist activity of blaming me for something that you're not willing to do. You're calling me a bad teacher. I'm not your teacher. But obviously you've made me that in this situation because these are your words, Lee. And we're all reading them here on the screen in real time. Okay? This can't be changed because I'm reading them from you. You have been calling me your teacher. You asked for a homework assignment and I gave it to you. Now you refuse to do it, even though I have drawn you a map to Zechariah Sitchin, the lost book of motherfucking Enki. And if you can't find that, Lee, then you fail everything because there's been millions who have found it and listened to it, and you refuse to do so. So then you blame me for being the bad teacher. You fail. You fail, and I'm the one that holds that. I am the teacher, you little fucking snot nosed brat. Your mother should have swallowed.
You know,